Refoss Smart Wi-Fi Garage Door Opener Setup with Wi-Fi. Step 1. Unbox the Refoss opener. Remove all items from the box, including the opener, power adapter, and installation manual. Step 2. Connect the opener to power. Plug the Refoss opener into a power outlet using the provided power adapter. Ensure the indicator light turns on. Step 3. Download the Refoss app. Install the Refoss app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, on your smartphone. Step 4. Create or log into your account. Open the app and sign in with your Refoss account, or create a new one if you don't already have one. Step 5. Add a new device. In the app, tap Add Device or the icon and select your garage door opener model from the list. Step 6. Connect to your Wi-Fi. Follow the app instructions to connect the opener to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not 5 GHz. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Step 7. Install the opener to your garage door. Attach the opener to your garage door mechanism following the manual step-by-step guidance. Use the adhesive or mounting hardware provided. Step 8. Pair the opener with your garage door. Press the Learn button on your garage door motor and follow the app instructions to sync it with the Refoss opener. Step 9. Test the operation. Use the Refoss app to open and close the garage door. Ensure the app responds correctly and the door operates smoothly. Step 10. Enable smart integrations. Optionally, link the opener with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit for voice commands and advanced features. Thank you for watching.